Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sohan, and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, from today onwards, we are going to start another part of Sophos XDR. And earlier, we have covered endpoint protection, and from today onwards, we are going to focus on server protection. And in this particular video, guys, we are going to cover Sophos XDR agent installation on the server. Okay, so let's jump into the console and let me show you which component we are going to explore. So this is our Sophos Central console, guys, and earlier we have covered endpoint protection, and in this time we are going to touch server protection. So let's go to the dashboard of server protection, and we just have one only the security agent activity. But don't worry, guys, and just for your information, guys, when exactly we have last time touched these servers, so that is during the AD installation, AD dressing tool installation, right? So if you check here, AD sync, let me just open this. So during start of the series, we have install this particular tool on this server. Okay, and now again we are going to resume with our operations. So it just does the job of your Active Directory synchronization with Sophos Cloud. Okay, let me just exit. And in this particular video, we'll initially focus on installer, because protecting server is very important, right? And here you have full malware protection and XDR sensor installer. So these two options we have. So initially we will go with our AV installation, right? So let's click on choose component. This is completely fine, and hit download button. The file was very short, guys. Okay, I mean very small. It's just 2.9 MB. Pre-installation check. What it says: Intercept X advanced for server with XDR. Let's go ahead. And as you could see, I don't have any Sophos agent installed right now on my system. Correct? So let's wait for some time until and unless installation gets complete. Okay, guys, successfully installation is completed and our server is now protected. Let's click on finish. It was very quick, guys, right? Let's click on start, and my Sophos agent icon has been appeared. Let's open that. Perfect. Now I will not explain this particular console again and again, because in endpoint security endpoint protection series we have gone through this entire console, right? Right now all the default policy have been applied. Let's check on open self-help tool if you have any other new options. This is just for your information, but the reality is everything is almost same. Okay, there's a problem with some services and our driver. The information might not be accurate. No issues, guys. We may be required this particular server to be restart. That is something we'll check later. But let's go to our servers and see whether that is reflecting or not. Okay, perfect. It's reflecting, and that is also with Intercept X advanced for servers with XDR. Agent mode is XDR. Perfect. Okay, guys, it's almost shows all the information currently is in agent mode, but core agent and Sophos Intercept X details has to be updated. Let's check what are the information which is showing on the agent. Let's go to the about section. Okay, so core agent and Intercept X. Okay, this particular data will get filled later. No issues. So maybe we may require reboot, or maybe let me just try to refresh. Let's click on DC. Okay, maybe after reboot this particular information will get updated. Okay, guys, so basically this is how you will be able to install your Sophos agent on this machine. Okay, and I'll just simply restart this machine so that it will become healthy. And hopefully, guys, the entire process is very much clear with you all, guys. And before I end this video, let me just tell you, okay, so this particular feature, guys, it's install your Sophos anti-malware, okay, which is Sophos antivirus. But when you go to the choose component, you will see two options. One is detection and protection, and another is XDR. So, guys, right now I don't have any antivirus install on my machine, so that's the reason I have chosen this option. So it comes with your XDR also. But when you choose only XDR, okay, so what exactly it does? it's only download the XDR module. Okay, and so that you guys can use another company antivirus. So the a traditional AV in your machine could be another OEM like Sophos, Trellix, or any other, but the XDR sensor will be from Sophos. Okay, so this is kind of a cross platform. So if anything missed by your traditional AV, Sophos will be able to detect. So this is for the better security. Okay, so hopefully guys all the things are clear in this particular video, and if you are found this particular video useful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.